I wake up early every morning, 5 a.m., no matter what, clockwork. Gonna go paddle. While I hit the gym, I got this. There's a rock right here I can't dive, and this is how you wake up island style. Ready? Coming up on a turtle here. This is the first morning of my micro-tiny lifestyle, but can't say it's too bad, you know. Kind of learning to adjust to it. Got to get rid of a lot of things, but you don't have to get rid of the stuff you do outside for free. Let's check out what's underneath here. I'm sitting over a reef. All right, there's little ankle slappers out here, but I'm gonna take one of these in, give it a little whirl here, people. It's always important out here after you go paddling in the cove areas to rinse yourself off in the shower, because you don't want to get a Haole Rot.